Hi, Timothy Unker here, and in this video I want to demonstrate the multiplication equal operator in C. And we're going to write a program to see how many cycles it takes when you start at 1 and double does it take to reach 1 million. Okay, so I think this might be interesting, especially from perspectives of looking at doubling rates for diseases and population growth and all kinds of things. So all right, so we'll get started. We're going to create two integers. One is I and one is n. I is going to be used for a for loop, or a while loop rather. I equals 1, n we're going to set equal to 0 at the start. And we're going to say while I is less than 1 million, so we have 6 zeros after that. What we want to do is we want to take I and we want to double it each time through the loop. So we're going to multiply it by 2 each time through the loop. So that's that asterisk and then the equal. That means I'm multiplying I by 2 each time through the loop. And then I want to take n and increase it by 1. So I'm going to have a plus plus here. That's going to increase it by 1 each time through the loop. Once it gets above 1 million, it's going to break out. And then we want to print and basically tell ourselves how many cycles it took. So it took percentage %d, which is passing in an integer, cycles, for 1 doubling to reach 1 million. And we'll put an exclamation point at the end, a /n to do some formatting, and the variable we're passing in, the one that's measuring the cycles, we start at 0 cycles, and we go through 1 cycle, we add 1, 2 cycles, so on. So that's going to be n is the variable we're going to pass into that to measure the cycling. And then at the end of that, we're just going to return 0. Okay. So I'm going to save this. Let's open up our terminal and let's compile it. Let's see. We have reach 1 million is what we want. We're going to output reach 1 million. That's the name of the file. Okay, and now let's run it. And you'll see it takes 20 cycles for starting at 1 to doubling to reach 1 million. That's pretty cool, I think. If you found this video interesting, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. It really does help the channel grow. I thank you for watching and hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.